Are you tired of your lower back screaming louder than your alarm clock each morning? What if the secret to soothing those aches lies not just in your mattress, but in the sun? Stay tuned to uncover the surprising link between lower back pain and the sun. It's a ray of hope you didn't see coming. The role of vitamin D in the body. Vitamin D, a vital nutrient, is unique because our bodies can make it with sunlight. Imagine you are in the sun, and your skin is busy making vitamin D. But not everyone gets enough sun or vitamin D from food. Sometimes people need to take extra vitamin D to stay healthy. Here's how it works. When sunlight touches your skin, it starts a magical process. The sun's rays turn a special kind of oil in your skin into vitamin D3. Then, this D3 goes on a journey through your liver and kidneys, transforming into an active version of vitamin D. Then it roams in your blood, helping your body in several ways. We know that vitamin D is a key that unlocks the door for calcium, a bone-building mineral, to enter your body from the food you eat. It also stops your bones from losing calcium. Think of your bones as a bank where calcium is stored. Vitamin D is like the security guard ensuring calcium stays put. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become weak and soft, leading to problems, especially in children and adults. But that's not all. Vitamin D is also like a coach for your body's defense team, the immune system. It trains immune cells, making them smarter at fighting germs and sickness. Plus, vitamin D is like a peacekeeper. It calms down inflammation, which can cause harm if too aggressive. And it's even a guard against bad cells turning into cancer. Sadly, when vitamin D levels are low, our health can suffer. It's like not having enough players on a sports team. You're more likely to lose against diseases. So it's important to make sure we have enough vitamin D to keep our bodies strong and healthy. Understanding lower back pain. Having explored the crucial role of vitamin D in our overall health, let's now see how a deficiency in this vital nutrient can specifically impact one of the most common health complaints, lower back pain. Lower back pain is something a lot of us face at some point. It can be a nuisance, making everyday tasks harder. Imagine your lower back as the support beam of your body. It's the lower part of your spine, holding up most of your weight and letting you move around. It's packed with important stuff like nerves and muscles. Now, lower back pain is something many people deal with. It can come from injuries, inflammation, the wearing down of parts in your back, or even stress. And there's growing evidence that not having enough vitamin D might play a role in this pain. Let's break it down. Vitamin D helps your body use calcium and phosphorus, two big players in keeping your bones strong. If you're low on vitamin D, your bones might soften in adults, osteomalacia, or become brittle in kids, rickets. This can lead to aching bones, including in your lower back. Lisa's story is a prime example of how low vitamin D levels can lead to back pain. She suffered from persistent back pain, which was affecting her daily life. After undergoing tests, it turned out that Lisa had a vitamin D deficiency. Once she started treatment to increase her vitamin D levels, her back pain significantly improved. This case mirrors findings from various studies, such as one in Norway, which showed that women, particularly in seasons with less sunlight, often experienced more back pain when their vitamin D levels were low. Similarly, research in Sweden found that postmenopausal women with back pain frequently had lower vitamin D levels compared to those without pain. We can understand from these studies that, for women like Lisa, especially those dealing with chronic back pain, boosting vitamin D intake could be a key part of managing their pain. To maintain healthy vitamin D levels, including foods like fatty fish and egg yolks in the diet is beneficial. In some cases, supplements might be necessary. Generally, adults require about 600 IU, 15 mcg, of vitamin D daily, but individual needs can vary. Additionally, getting about 15 minutes of sunshine each day can naturally increase vitamin D levels, providing an easy and effective way to potentially reduce back pain. Signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Now that we've seen the connection between vitamin D deficiency and lower back pain, let's shift our focus to the broader picture and explore the various signs and symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, which can affect much more than just our back health. If you're low on vitamin D, you might notice you're getting sick a lot. Vitamin D is like a coach for your body's defense team against germs. If it's low, you might catch colds or other infections more often, your bones hurt, or you get fractures easily. Vitamin D is a builder, helping your body use minerals to keep bones tough. Without enough, your bones might get weak, break easily, or even soften in adults or kids. Your muscles feel weak or cramping up. Vitamin D helps your muscles work right, If it's low, you might feel weak or have muscle cramps, making everyday activities harder. You feel really tired or down. Vitamin D is like a little sunbeam for your mood and energy. Low levels might make you feel tired or sad more often. Vitamin D deficiency can be sneaky, with symptoms hiding behind other health issues. Regular blood tests can help catch it before it gets too bad. Lots of people from all over the world don't get enough vitamin D. In the US, about 42% of adults are low on it, with higher rates in Hispanic and African American communities. Countries like India, China, Nigeria, and South Africa also have many people with this deficiency. To boost your vitamin D, eat foods rich in it, like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk or cereals. A bit of sunlight can also help. If you're in a place with not much sun or have darker skin, you might need supplements. Just a little bit each day can make a big difference. Tips for managing and preventing lower back pain and vitamin D deficiency. Now the question is, how can you manage or prevent lower back pain and vitamin D deficiency? Okay, if you want to know the best and simplest tips, watch the video till the end. Firstly, don't just lie down when your back hurts. It might seem like a good idea, but staying still for too long can make things worse. Instead, try to get up and move around gently after a day or two. Exercise can work wonders for back pain. Next, try using heat or ice on the sore area. Heat relaxes your muscles and boosts blood flow, while ice can lessen swelling and inflammation. Wrap an ice pack, or even a bag of frozen peas, in a towel and place it on your back for 20 minutes. Just make sure you don't put ice or heat directly on your skin to avoid burns or frostbite. Over-the-counter pain relievers can also help. Ibuprofen or naproxen are good choices, but be careful as they can have side effects like stomach issues or liver problems. It's always best to chat with your doctor before taking any medication. Gentle stretches and exercises are great for strengthening the muscles around your spine. Some good ones are knee-to-chest stretches and bridge exercises. You can find how-to videos online or ask a physical therapist for advice. Lastly, eating a diet rich in vitamin D is important for bone health and reducing inflammation. Vitamin D is found in foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk. Most of us don't get enough vitamin D from food and sunlight, especially if we have darker skin or live in a place with less sun. You might need a vitamin D supplement. Adults usually need around 800 IU daily, but this can vary. A doctor can check your levels with a simple blood test and advise on the right supplement for you. And there you have it, the not-so-secret blend of sunshine and science for your back's relief. Before you go soak up some rays, ask yourself, are you ready to turn the page from back pain to back action? Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening health insights, because your journey to wellness deserves a knowledgeable companion. Will you let a little sunshine in?